Hi guys, welcome. So what we're going to be learning about today is number patterns, and how we're going to get to that lesson and learn is you are going to go to my teacher website right here, and then on the far right you're going to hover over technology integrated task and press the screencast assignment, and then this is what it should look like. This video will be to the right of that, just so that's not new. And then you're going to see this, and you're just going to click this box right here and take you to the assignment that you are going to fill out after you've completed the activities that we're going to do today. So the first thing I would like you to do is make a copy. That's super important. So you're going to go to File in the top left, press Make a Copy, put your name in, but we're just going to do mine for this. Miss Fell, make a copy, that one. And then once we're on this page, once again, I would love for you to fill out your name here. Miss Fell, and then the date. All right, once you are done with that, there's this link right here that I have. It says click the link to get to the lesson, and you're just going to click that, and it's going to take you right to where we want to go. And we're using e-learning for kids, and basically this program is free, which is awesome, and it can be used offline if your technology or Wi-Fi isn't working, so you don't even have to worry about that. So even though this says changing numbers up here, it's the exact same lesson that we're going to be doing. And there are 6 sections right here, and I would like for you to go through all of them. And then once you're done with that, you're going to fill out the sheet, but I'm just going to kind of show you. I want you to press the introduction. I'm not going to press it. I'm just going to go into the next one right now, but I would like for you to do that one. I just kind of want to show you what you're expecting. Is I have the audio off, but you can turn it on and they can kind of speak to you and tell you things. But I just kind of want you to get a feel for what this website is kind of like. So once some talking, here you go, super easy to move around the numbers. Just going to move them around, and then there you go. And it's going to encourage you, which I appreciate, and you're just going to continue on. Pretty straightforward. Anyways, after you complete all 6 of those, you are going to go back here and fill out this assignment. And here you go. And that's about it for today. But anyways, if you need any help, please email me. My email should be on my website. And I hope that you all have a really good rest of your day and have fun learning. Bye. Hi, I'm Miss Fell, and I just wanted to make this video that is directed towards parents because we will be using this website called e-learning for kids, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about it, and I think it's important to know what your kid will be using for throughout the year. So e-learning for kids is a fun and effective content exploration tool that can be used at home and at school. And so basically is that this is free, which is awesome, and it can be accessed without any internet. You can be offline doing this. So the main topics of e-learning for kids is that it covers mainly math and science, but it also covers health, environmental, and life skills. So this program allows the student as individuals to think more critically, and by being able to do this, it allows them to succeed, grow, and gain more knowledge, all the while having fun while learning, which is always a plus. Now, going more into e-learning for kids is that it connects with students' prior knowledge. So first, doing a lesson is that they'll do a pre-lesson activities to kind of gauge where they're at and what they already know. And then moving forward, the lessons will add on to their prior knowledge. And additionally, this program has their lessons set up in a way where it increases difficulty, and this helps students use information they already know and connect that with the new material they are learning. And then also, this content creation tool has many different tools on it, so it's accommodating to many students. There's audio, text, visuals, interactive tasks to be accessible to a wider range of learners. And once again, to reiterate, this tool does not move forward to harder levels until the learner has mastered and understood the lesson they're on, therefore catering to different abilities as well. One of the things I love about e-learning for kids is how interactive it is, and this tool allows students to retain the information they are learning because this program is interactive. There are lessons that have games, quizzes, and animations, and therefore that kind of helps information to be a little bit easier to understand and to remember. And then also I really like that this has no ads, so your kid, the student, will not be distracted with what they're learning. So students are allowed to redo and look over the lessons that they have already completed, and every level has the same concepts, which just adds on to what they've learned. And I think by being able to go back and do that, it allows students to retain the information for longer periods of time. And then this tool is self-paced, and so students learn and move differently than others. So the fact this tool is self-paced is huge, because a student is not pushed into moving forward when they haven't grasped the concept of the lesson yet. Something else I really love about e-learning for kids is that it's not useless material that students don't really need to know. These lessons are targeted and narrowed to their focus and what's relevant for them to know, and they are also directed towards material that they need to focus on or that they can improve on. And also, if, let's say, a student has an interest in something, they can type it in the search bar and learn about it, which is super awesome. And then also a nice feature of e-learning for kids is that it gives instant feedback and grades. Instead of like waiting for me to grade 20 plus students' work, they're automatically given feedback and know what to work on and what to learn from. The students are also allowed to explore super cool and intricate visualizations that help their learning that they usually wouldn't be able to without this technology. So students are able to witness how things would happen in real life, such as the water cycle in action, and they usually wouldn't be able to do this without technology. So overall, I just wanted to share a little bit about e-learning for kids, and e-learning for kids is not only super engaging for students, but it's efficient, effective, and well-designed, as I have previously talked about. But I just think this is important information to know, and I hope you have a really good rest of your day, and thank you so much for listening.